Sometimes the best adventures come from the most accessible machines. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 proves that lightweight and capable can go hand in hand. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're exploring Yamaha's refreshed trail legend, the 2026 DT 175. This bike carries serious heritage, so let's see what the latest version brings to the table. Design. Starting with design, Yamaha has honored the DT's classic roots while modernizing every detail. The retro-inspired bodywork features clean lines with contemporary touches. The iconic Yamaha blue and white color scheme looks fantastic. A slim profile keeps things lightweight, and the seat height remains approachable for most riders. Build quality feels solid throughout. Performance. Performance-wise, the 175cc engine delivers exactly what you'd expect. Reliable, manageable power, perfect for trails and everyday riding. Throttle response is smooth, making it ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike. The suspension handles varied terrain confidently, absorbing bumps without feeling harsh. This bike excels where versatility matters most. Features and technology. Yamaha has added thoughtful tech upgrades too. A clean digital display provides essential information at a glance. Fuel injection ensures efficient performance across different conditions. LED lighting improves visibility while reducing energy consumption. Simple yet effective, exactly what a trail bike should offer. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 blends nostalgic charm with modern reliability. It's practical, fun, and ready for adventure. What do you think about the new DT 175? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle content. Catch you next time.